The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Beaver County, southeastern Texas County, northeastern Hansford County, northwestern Eckeltree County, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northwest of Farnsworth, or 15 miles west of Perryton, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Beaver, southeastern Texas, northeastern Hansford, and northwestern Eckeltree counties. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the Panhandle of Oklahoma and the Panhandle of Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Hansford and Eckeltree.